Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can export objects in your Figma designs in SVG format as a vector, for example, to open these in other vector editing programs and software like Adobe Illustrator, for example, as a vector. So it is actually very simple, guys. Let me head over to this website design project here on Figma and show you how to do it. So let me zoom into that, let's say that title here, that text box. And yeah, simply left click into the given object you would like to save as a vector in SVG format. So let me go with that object or that text box here. And here to the right, you will see that customization panel. So you may not see it depending on your resolution, guys, but if you don't see it, you may need to scroll all the way down till you see the export feature here at the bottom. Click onto that plus icon to export the given object in SVG, just like that. And that is going to open up that menu below. So here, click into that arrow down icon next to the given file format, which in this case here is PNG on default. And yeah, select SVG from that list below. You may also go with JPEG or PDF, so let me go with SVG. And after that, you may also customize your exporting by clicking on these three dots here. And for example, select the color profile or an outlining for the given text. Or that option, guys, you may ignore the overlapping layers as well. So let's leave it at that, like here, and close that exporting window. You will see also the preview down below. And yeah, that's basically it. Once you're ready to export the given object, and after that, open it in SVG file format, for example, in Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop or any other editing software that can read and open SVG file format or files, click into that button here, export section heading. Wait for the file to be exported. As you can see, it has been exported in SVG. So that's basically it. Now you can open it through the given software, or SVG files are usually opened in web-based programs and software and apps. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you export an SVG on Figma. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.